Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. Before we dive in, if this helps you out, feel free to give it a like and hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips. All right, to make a table of contents, first you'll need to apply heading styles to the text you want included. So highlight a section title or heading, click on Normal Text in the toolbar, and choose something like Heading 1 or Heading 2. Do that for each section in your document. Once that's done, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of the doc. Then go to Insert, scroll down, and click on Table of Contents. You can choose between a plain text version or one with clickable links. Google Docs will automatically build the table for you based on the headings you applied. If you update your headings later, just click the refresh icon next to the table and it will update automatically. And that's all there is to it. Super simple. If this helped, don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this.